first thing is you got to find a maple tree. Next thing is sterilize a bit. Yeah, if you put it in at a tilt, then you can get it all the way down to the tape. That looks like it should be good. And there's a hole right there, but that looks like a good spot. Is that a good height for you? I think you're right. And you got it at a slight uphill angle, which is just right. And you turn the handle clockwise.
Does it better be south or north side, or does it matter?
That's a good question, which gets asked every time, and the answer is no.
Okay.
Or yes, depending on how you answer it. It's on certain days, the south side of the tree runs better. On other days, the north side runs better. So the average by the end of the season is 15 gallons, no matter where the tap is on the tree.
Okay, it all comes out.
Yeah. On these cooler weekends, it tends to be the sunny side that runs better. And when we start hitting days with 55 degrees, sometimes the sunny side shuts down and it's just running on the shady side.
North and south?
Nope. I think just by accident we'll probably end up with a pretty good distribution. I would be really interested in finding out if there's a tendency for the trees higher up or lower down the slope to run earlier or later.
Okay.
And say, well, we're starting at the top this year, and then we'll find out. You finding out why it's called hard maple?
Yeah.
We're going to have our own two chickens, so we'll be able to sell. Oh, careful. Here, let's walk around.
Ojibwe. And that's because there aren't any up there that are big enough to drill 10-inch trees. But they drill 3 years in a row, and then they rest that tree for 5 years. They don't tap it for 5 years. And that makes it work out okay for them.
Remember, tip it up now.
Yeah, pull it a little bit out of the hole, and you'll be able to tip it higher. There you go.
Now squirt again.
Squirt. There you go. That's it. The hole's sterilized and the sawdust is all cleaned out. You pour it right back in there, yeah. And then, the tongs are in the bottom of the bucket. Right here. Use those and grab a file. Ready with the hammer. You can handle it once it's out of this stuff. That one we should dip again. Go ahead and grab another one. You can handle it once it's out. It's not going to hurt your skin or your gloves. I just don't want people putting their whole hand in there and having their skin bleached. Yep, we hit it on the big knobby part.
Is there a hole for the bucket?
The bucket, the hole in the side of the bucket sits on that big knob on the top. Sits just over it, so it won't slide off. Is there a sap coming out?
I don't know.
Looks like this one might be just a little